Hello viewers, so in this video I will show you how you can add a title to a chart in Excel. So first you have to select the chart that you have created, then on the left side you will see a plus icon, so you have to click on that, then you will see the available uh, elements of chart. So you have to select on chart title from here, then you have to click on this left arrow to see the other option. So when it's available here, you can click on that and you can change the title like sales graph or sales bar chart. So in this way you can add a title. So it's very simple, just click here, and you can also customize it if you click on that. So you can see there are more other option, and also if you click here you can customize your graph using a different color, and you can also change the position. So if you click on arrow and then more option, then you can see there are more other option. You can change the style of your chart title, so you can play with these options. And there are many more options you can see. So that's all for today, then we will show more tips on the chart. Then see you in the next video.